The national anthem. After the count of 2, 1, 2, go.
Oh yeah, 1, 2, 1, 2. After national anthem.
Ijaye 2 constituency. Honorable Temitope Adewale, Honorable Member representing Ifako Ijaye 1 constituency. Members of the Lagos State Executive Council here present, especially the Special Advisor to the Governor. I'm sure the longer life. Mr. Governor, sir, with your kind permission, I will now quickly invite the Special Advisor on Works and Infrastructure, Engineer Aramide Adeyoye, to please step forward and read our welcome address. Madam Esema.
Ladies and gentlemen of the press, good afternoon to you all. It's my pleasure once again to invite you all to this historic commissioning of 31 network of roads. The journey so far has taken us to 3 spots, and now we're at the 4th spot. As you all know, this administration is bent on continuity, completing all the past projects, and that's what we have demonstrated today. It's a pact to say that we mean what we want to do. Odokoro is part of the large county area when it comes to political votes. We are coming here today is a demonstration of our faith, our belief in you, our commitment. This road here forms part of the network of roads in Odokoro. Prior to this construction work, you all noticed that this road, particularly the roads around the pavements of the road, the connectivity was poor. The way people meandered in the rains, and people were almost giving up hope to say, are we part of Lagos State or are we in Ogun State? What exactly are we? Where are we placed? We have demonstrated faith to say you are part of us. You are part of us means that you deserve all the good things of life. And so today, what we promised to do is what we have done. Mr. Governor, every represented by everybody else, everybody in cabinet, Deputy Governor, everybody in cabinet, we're all here. We rejoice with you. This project is yours. It's your dividend of democracy. Let's take ownership of them when you get them. Make sure those roads, the drains are well kept. It's not make sure that people don't park indiscreetly on the road. They don't burn tires on them. Neither do they service. The mechanics don't begin to use that as a servicing depot for vehicles. It's yours. Take ownership of them. And at the end of the day, all of us will be proud to say we're Lagosians. I'm sure your rental prices will go up very soon because your house has become a London. So travel, in fact, all of Odokoro, it's like you're going out of Lagos. And those are the gains of democracy. But we cannot do it all alone. It's all with your support. When we come back to you and we say we want this one, please support us. Support us in every way that you can. Thank you so much. Thank you.
The Special Advisor, another round of applause. Mr. Governor, sir, we will take some goodwill messages. First, I will invite the Honorable Member representing Ifako Ijaye 2 constituency, Honorable Rashid Makinde, to please step forward and give us a goodwill message.
We. Arobaleo. APC. Inú wa dùn lẹ́ni àbí inú wa ò dùn. Mo dúpẹ́ lọ́wọ́ Ọlọ́run Ọba èmi ò ní sọ òyìnbó nítorí lélẹ̀ mi wà. Mo wá dúpẹ́ lọ́wọ́ gómìnà wa, gómìnà Babájídé Olúṣọlá Sanwó-Olú fún nǹkan tí ó jọ wá lójú tán ṣe, nítorí pé kò wọ́pọ̀ nínú ìjọba tó máa dé láàárín oṣù mẹ́sàn-án tí wọ́n máa kọ̀ntínú iṣẹ́ tán bá ń lẹ̀. Ká má sọ bí tá máa kó ìgbà wá sí tá máa tajà ń bẹ̀. Àwọn ọlọ́kadà kádẹ̀ sọ fún wọn kọ́ máa sọ ojú ọ̀nà wa di páàkì tán máa gbé páàkì mọ́tò sẹ́ pé mọ́tò tán ṣe fún kò ní lè máa rọ́nà gbàbẹ̀. Mo dẹ̀ dúpẹ́ lọ́wọ́ gómìnà wa, àdúrà wa gbà o. Yorùbá bọ̀ wọ́n ní yiniyini kẹ́ni lè ṣe mí, àdúpẹ́ lọ́wọ́ yín. Àtúnfẹ́ sí o, Oliver the twist ni wá o. Ìkèrè Èkó Adétọ́lá road. Ó dẹ̀ pọ̀ bẹ́ẹ̀, gómìnà ti promise pé òun máa ṣe fún wa o. Àdúrà wa gba ojú òní tiwa o. Ẹ ṣé gan-an, thank you very much. Tí à ń ṣe kò sí miracle nù ìjọba o. Tí ò bá sí owó tá a fẹ́ fi ṣe ìjọba, kò sí nǹkan tó ń jẹ́ ìjọba. Ní ìlú òyìnbó tí wọ́n fún wa lómìnira Britain, kò sí nǹkan tó fi ń live ń bẹ̀, tó fi ń gbélé ayé mẹ́ ju tax lọ. Ẹ jẹ́ á san owó orí wa o. Tọ́rọ́ kọ́bọ̀ owó ni o. Àwa tá ń san 2,500 ẹ jẹ́ á máa lọ san lásìkò. Àtàdé àwọn onílé iṣẹ́ náà kọ́ máa lọ san tiwọn náà lásìkò. Àdúrà wa gbà o. Ìgbéga ìpínlẹ̀ Èkó.
Let us give Honorable Rasheed Makinde another round of applause. Thank you, sir. Next, I will invite Chairman of Ojokoro LCDA, Honorable H.I.D. Tijani, for his goodwill message. A round of applause for him.
Mr. Governor, sir, the Deputy Governor, members of the State Executive here present, the members of the Lagos State House of Assembly, particularly Honorable Lanre Makinde Temitopeja, my dear brother, Honorable Usman Hamzat, our party leaders. I want to sincerely appreciate His Excellency for seeing it that all these projects is being completed and commissioned today. Thank you very much. On behalf of the good people of Ojokoro LCDA, I sincerely appreciate you. At this point, I don't want to say much because I know the time is not on your side, but I will add to what Honorable Makinde has just said. We want to add like an Oliver Twist. We have a couple of roads that are links roads, all the road that connects the other roads, so that we can decongest the main road. So we still have road like Beleyi Avenue, we have Temple Road, and we have Ile-Ogbo Street. So we will appreciate if His Excellency can just help us to push it more. So thank you very much, sir. I wish you safe journey back home. Sir, sorry, sir. There is a particular school within the Akinyele area. We call it Akinyele Junior Secondary School. Yes, sometimes a few years back, the community and the local government were able to put that land in place, and the state were able to construct the school for us. But it is only junior school. We have tried within ourselves, between the local government and the community CDC, we have get another land now, which we have purchased for the purpose of the senior secondary school. I will appreciate if His Excellency can help us to take it up. Thank you very much.
Ojokoro ẹ ṣé o, ẹ ṣé o, ẹ kú àlejò wa o, Ìfàkọ̀jàyè ẹ ṣé o, ẹ jọ̀ọ́ wọ́n bẹ̀ yín ni o, ẹ má gbàgbé wọn o, Afikúyọmí, tàbí wọ́n ni, Fẹ́mi Afikúyọmí, mo mọ̀ ẹ́, àti fìlẹ̀ ẹ̀dẹ́lẹ́yìn yẹn, ó tó ń bọ̀ ẹ́. My brother and my friend, Dr. Kadri Obafemi Hamzat, the Speaker of the House of Assembly, here ably represented by our Honorable, who is also the Chairman of House Committee on Works and Infrastructure, Honorable Biodun Tobun. I also acknowledge other honorable members here. Honorable Rashid Makinde, thank you. Honorable Temitope Adewale, thank you. The member of the House of Representatives, Honorable James Owolabi, thank you very, very much. He's been going around with each and every one of us here this morning. Members of the State Executive Council, we cannot begin to greet ourselves. This is what we have signed on for. But on your behalf, let me acknowledge and thank a special advisor, Works and Infrastructure Engineer Aramide, who and her team has led this very commendable work this morning. I think she deserves a round of applause, and all members of our team, they deserve a round of applause. Our chairman, the two of them here, very much. Our community leaders, our CDCs and our CDA, and all our ballers. We. Members of our great party, APC, thank you very, very much. Gentlemen of the press, all of our community people, all the residents, we greet you, we acknowledge you. Ladies and gentlemen, all our women that are singing, the band boys, acknowledge each and every one of you. Policemen, task force, each and every one of you is acknowledged this afternoon because everybody has worked well. This is our fourth stop, and I'm indeed very, very happy and excited. 31 road infrastructure. On your behalf, let me first thank Xenon Construction, our contractor who had stayed with this project and have completed it. I think the contractor also deserves a round of applause. The whole idea around completion of our roads falls into our team's agenda. And one of the things we said to ourselves is traffic management and transportation needs to be resolved. We need to have the ability to be able to connect our various communities together. This is a neighboring LCDA and a neighboring community with Ogun State, but it's all very strategic for us, and that's why we have ensured that within our 6 to 7 months in office, all of those roads are made to be completed. And so we watch and we push the contractor to ensure that what we've started, we bring it to completion and it is ready to be used by every one of you. I'm indeed happy that today is a day that it is the turn of Ojokoro. I can assure you, like my brother from Ifako Jai had said, it will get to Ifako very, very soon. Don't worry. Mo fẹ́ dúpẹ́ lọ́wọ́ gbogbo wa ní o. Ṣé mọ̀ pé ibi kẹrin tá máa ti dúró láàárọ̀ yìí ni àbí lọ́sàn-án yìí? A ti lọ káàkiri. Gbogbo títì náà ta dẹ̀ ń ṣí lénìí fún ìtìyín ni o. Látọ̀la lọ́sìn ẹ̀rí pàwọ̀ ní wá bí mọ́. Ṣé kó di tìyín nìyẹn? Bọ́dẹ̀ èdè ti sọ náà. Ó di pé ọ̀nà tẹ máa bẹ̀rẹ̀ sí tọ́jú ni o. Gbélé yín lọ́wọ́. Gbogbo ọ̀nà márosẹ̀ àti gbogbo ẹ̀tọ́ ti ṣe yẹn kẹ́rí pé wọn ò bẹ̀rẹ̀ sí dàdọ̀tí sí o. Wọn ò bẹ̀rẹ̀ sí pàtẹ síbi tó yẹ kán rìn. Iná mọ̀nàmọ́ná tó ti ṣe ó bẹ̀rẹ̀ sí ṣiṣẹ́. Ìjọ tí ò bá ṣiṣẹ́ ẹ pé chairman ní kẹsàn fáwọn CDC CDA wọ́n lè rí tu aláláúsá àwa tún ṣe. Ẹ jọ̀ọ́ nítorí Ọlọ́run kò dìgbà tójò bá dé kó tó wá sọ pé drainage ti block ẹ má dàdọ̀tí sínú drainage o. Please don't let us block those drainages, because the beauty of this road is that we keep them and we maintain them. We will not come back here tomorrow. We will go to other places, other needs of other community. And so we're handing over this asset to you, and we want you to take good care of them. We want you to see it as part of the dividend of democracy that you have also worked for. And so you cannot get it better than this. We have made a promise. We have said that we will do what we say, and you cannot fault us on what we say. You can see what we have done, and it will improve the quality of life It will improve your journey time. It will improve your connection to other parts. So please, let's take ownership of it. Let's see it as an asset that is your asset. And like I said in other places, people that are living in one street, make sure you're also monitoring the other street. If the other street are the ones that are causing dirty, raise up your hand and talk to your CDCs and your CDA. And make sure that they do not bring down the quality and this finishing we have seen here today. Make sure you take ownership and you take charge of it. It is strategic and it is the beginning of a lot of greater and better things that will come to your neighborhood. Your chairman has complained and said that we need to do a senior secondary school, Akinyele Senior Secondary School. We are going to do it. We will take it up and will ensure that whatever it is in the year 2020, the commissioner, they are here, they are listening to us, will bring that senior secondary school, will bring it as part of the deliverables that we'll do for Ojokoro. I think it's important for us to further mention that the dividends that we're talking about start with just with this. So many other things are going to come. Like we said, your schools will be rehabilitated. Like we said, we'll see how we can improve power in all of your community. Not just power on the street lights, but power in your community. We'll see how we'll bring improvement in the security architecture in your neighborhood. I'm sure the CDCs and the CDAs are working with that. But to ensure that security, being also a neighboring community with Ogun State, will provide security all around your neighborhood. That we're committed to and we shall be doing. And so I want to thank all of you. I want to thank all our party leaders. I want to thank all our community leaders. I want to thank all our ballers for coming out in very large number to welcome us, to encourage us so that we can do more. I want to say to you that it's the beginning. You have not seen enough. A lot more will still happen in your community. A lot more will still happen all around Lagos. I want to finally also use this opportunity to commend and thank our officers that have supervised the contractors. And so if you don't mind, I need to acknowledge our project director, Engineer Oyenuga. I will acknowledge Engineer Badamosi, Engineer Mrs. Olukoko. I will acknowledge Engineer Shoyombo, Engineer Ogunsoya, Engineer Demua, Engineer Denolo, Engineer Awosile, Engineer Engineer Bakari, Engineer Opelo Yeru, Engineer Osholoki. I think it's important for us to acknowledge other colleagues can also put up a good show like this and to encourage them to do more and to say to them, well, we're expecting you to be able to push other contractors to deliver on all our road projects that we have commissioned or we have pushed. Zenon Construction Company, I don't know if they are here. We acknowledge you. All of the roads, all of the 31 roads, you can see it from the brochure. I don't think I need to read them out again. Akinshola Street, Aremula Wal, Edun Alaran, Funsho Owoyemi, Home Science, Alaji Lukman Avenue, Odun Alayo Street, Santos Avenue, Segun Adetiba will complete with the phase 2. Shuberu, Amusa Agbaje, Abu Balogun, Philip Makonjo, Majekodumi, Ajani Adanijo, Tunji Tella, and Joanna Olufowora, Aderupoko, David Oladokun, Adenikan, Rabiu Street, Adeyola, Ganiu Oladeinde, Orotayo, Olorisade Amadia Street, Ojuelegba Road, Olubukola Ilori, Oshata Aino Street, Unity Road, Bola Oni Osho Ude Brown Street, Hassan Makinde, Ileanu Ogundipe, and so on and so forth. I think we all deserve a round of applause that this has come to Ojokoro today. Let us continue to encourage government. That's what we're in government. That's what we promise you, to bring about positive development to all of our communities. bá ṣe sọ lẹ́ǹkan sí ó ti di tiyín o àwọn òníwá bíi mọ́lọ́la o ẹ jọ o ẹ bá wa mú dání o ẹ bá wa tọ́jú ẹ o ẹ bá jẹ́ pé gbogbo títì yẹn wọn ò da dọ̀tí sí o wọn ò pàtẹ sórí títì o wọn ò sọ di ilé ìdọ̀tí o torí pé tẹ bá tún ṣe dáadáa ìmí ìtẹ́tún béèrè fún ó ti dọ́nà ká padà ká tó wá ṣe sí ní o inú mi dẹ̀ dùn pé gbogbo ojú yín dán mọ́ránmọ́rán ẹ kú palẹ̀mọ́ dúró ọdún á bá gbogbo aláyọ̀ àtàláfíà o chairman àtàwọn honourable wa ẹ bá fún wọn ní nǹkan ọdún o ẹ bá fún wọn ní nǹkan ọdún o honourable ẹ bá fún wọn ní nǹkan ọdún o àwọn èèyàn wa ní gbogbo wọn àbí bẹ́ẹ̀ kọ́ ẹ jọ o nǹkan tó máa fi sọdún ẹ bá fún wọn bọ̀ mo ti bẹ̀ wọ́n o àbí ẹ jọ wọ́n bẹ̀ yín ni o ẹ má gbàgbé wọn o. Ladies and gentlemen, thank you very much. Have a good afternoon.
We don't come again, no. APC 2019, Ferrari Tarzan. Yeah, now we, hey, now we did, yeah,
Tarzan on.
Now we did, yeah.
As if you said, you are from land.
Now we did, yeah. Democracy for justice, for progressive Congress, ẹ̀yin mẹ̀kúnnù ṣì máa mú.
My brother, I'm the most happiest man in the world today. Having seen the completion of this road and commissioned by the governor, Mr. Babajide Olusola Sanwo-Olu. It's a good one. We started it just about 2 years back when I became the chairman. I'm saying that it comes to reality. I give glory to God Almighty and the state government of Nigeria. How do you want to tell your people in Lokojokoro to maintain the road? Like I've told them before, you see, the governor has said it all, that the road is for us, and the governor will not come here tomorrow again. We need to maintain it, because it is when we maintain it that it can be last longer. But if we don't do that, at the end of the day, it will not be any one of us. We all know that before we started the project, we know how this area works. And today, we thank God that all the roads are finished. So I want to appeal to my people to make sure that they maintain the roads within their environment. And on the part of the local government, to do what they need to make sure that the road is in good shape.
Hello, sir. You spoke about this road. Temple Road is in good shape. The governor did not mention anything about what you see about this road.
You can see that in my remark, I've told the state government that there is need for us to do that particular road. Not only that, Amche Avenue, and there's also Adetola Erekupade. The importance of those roads is when we construct all those roads, that we'll be able to have a linking road that we are expecting in this area. So that should give us the opportunity to congest the express and to make all these ones to serve the purpose that we need for them. So I know the governor has a district here. After today, we will have the opportunity to visit this district and it will generate the importance of those roads. And I can assure you that very, very soon it will be done.
It's like Olani Road.
Olani Road is part of the roads that have been constructed before now. I can assure you that within the next 2 months, by the grace of God, it will be rehabilitated. Thank you.
Mr. Governor has promised to it's not we should mention. How do you feel about this? How are you going to go about it?
Like I said, I'm so happy because I said the government is a little better. I'm told him and he said he's coming to check it. And they have promised us that the 2020 budget is inclusive. So let's just hope that very, very soon, let's go and then probably by the next session, which will start by September, we'll have that school.
In conclusion, Mr. Governor said a signal to you that you are taking care of your people during the first treatment. What do you think about this?
It's good. That is what the father needs to say to his son. And they have done it. This is not the first time we have been doing it. We have been doing it to our people. We know it's a festive period and we need to make them happy. Definitely do that.